Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today is a really exciting video, as you saw from the thumbnail. It's the Colourpop mystery bag. So you spent, I think it was like $25, and you got a bunch of like mystery products in this. So basically, you have no idea what you're getting, so this should be interesting. So let's just see what we got. You don't want to open. It looks like there's a lot in there. That's exciting. Okay, so first, so we got this Colourpop. I don't need to say Colourpop every time because this is the Colourpop mystery box. So everything's from Colourpop. So sorry if I said this is the Colourpop every single time. I'm gonna try not to. So this is the Super Shock Shadow in the shade Gwen. So it seems like a really pretty, like, bronzy, shimmery shade. Love that. Cool. Comes with a little ingredients thing for something. I'm not really sure what, but apparently something on there needs extra ingredient list. So next I have this Colourpop BFF Volumizing Mascara. So I'm assuming it's the black mascara. I think this is the line where they're like all different colors. So this says BFF black on black. So I'm assuming this is the ingredient list for the mascara. Maybe it just couldn't fit on the box. I don't see the other ingredients anywhere else. So I'm assuming it wouldn't fit on the box. So they put it on a little card. So that's nice. What else do we got? We got a pressed powder shadow in the shade Snake Eyes. Love that name, that's interesting. Ultra glossy lip in the shade Champagne Mammy. So this is what the packaging looks like, and ooh, pretty. Got this lippy stick in the shade Ziggy, which is a Matte X formula. So I actually own this shade, but I'm just gonna show it to you guys real quick. Actually, what's really cool about that is since I already have this shade, I'll give it to you guys. So I really like the Matte X formula because it's almost like a dry down liquid lip. Like it's like it goes on like a cream lipstick, but it actually like dries down really well and doesn't really transfer. So I really like this formula, but since I already have this shade, I will be giving this to you guys in the next giveaway, so that's exciting. We got this ultra blotted lip in the shade Doozy. I don't really recall like knowing what the ultra blotted lip formula is going to be like. I've never heard of a formula being called ultra blotted lip. Ooh, sweet highlighter. We got a Super Shock highlighter in the shade Pinch Me. Ooh, okay, so it's like a light pinky purpley shade. Excited. I've actually never tried a couple of these things that I have, to be honest with you. Like, I've never tried the blotted lip, their pressed powders, shadows, their mascara. So that's exciting. I'm getting some new things I've never tried. Luxe lipstick in the shade Solo Velvet Blur. So this is like a bullet type of lipstick. Really cute, like rose goldy packaging, and wow, it's like a bright red. What's cute is like it has like stars imprinted in it. That's adorable. I've never tried their regular lipstick formula, so this should be interesting. So cool, I got a lot of new stuff to try out from them. And I think this is the last thing. It's the Super Shock Shadow in the shade Party of 5. So what I'm going to do with these products is do a full face of Colourpop. So that's when I'll be trying all this stuff out. But just to give you guys a little idea of what some of it looks like, because since I got a couple different lippies, I'm not going to be able to try them all in that video. So I might as well try one in this video. I'm going to try the Ultra Glossy Lip. So I was assuming it was going to be like a doe foot applicator, but it's actually just like a brush applicator. So I'm not exactly sure if I love the applicator. It's kind of rough and you gotta like move it around a lot to like get it to like unbe stuck from like just being like stick straight. I feel like it's not like as precise as the doe foot applicators either, because it just, the brush strokes kind of go willy-nilly. But the actual shade and glossiness, stunning. Definitely like that. I'm gonna have to keep trying it out. It seems really pretty. This is just a lip gloss, so it's not gonna probably stay on for very long, but it looks really pretty, so that's exciting. And even though there's that glitter in it, I don't feel it being like chunky or anything like that. It doesn't even really feel like I have anything on my lips. Cute. So that's exciting. I can't wait to do my full face with Colourpop makeup, and I'll be using these products in that, so can't wait to make that video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below, and check the description box for more information about the video. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.